I've got a smaller jar now.
And that, my friends, is the laugh of a man who's dying a little on the inside. Taking this spear chisel, cutting down into this lid. I'll make my handle again. I'll pop this guy right off. Got it. Decided that I was just going to bore this out without using a forcer bit like I usually do. Started with the spear and then I switched over to this round nose, and this thing just eats it out. Give it a little sand, a little bufferoni. This is always nice. Good snug fit. Turn it back on and get to sand it together. There you have it. Till next time, y'all.